Today we are discussing a critical database vulnerability that is already being exploited in real-world attacks. It's called MongoBleed, tracked as CVE 2025-14847, and it affects MongoDB, one of the most widely used databases in modern applications. If you run MongoDB, this is something you need to understand immediately. MongoBleed is an unauthenticated memory disclosure vulnerability. This means an attacker can extract server memory data without needing a username, password, or valid credentials. According to security researchers, this flaw allows attackers to retrieve uninitialized memory contents directly from a MongoDB server. This makes MongoBleed extremely dangerous. MongoDB is commonly used to store application data, user information, logs and backup, internal service metadata. Because MongoDB is so widely deployed, especially in cloud environments, even a single vulnerability can impact thousands of organizations. MongoDB supports network compression to improve performance. One of the supported compression methods is GlarBleed. The MongoBleed vulnerability occurs when MongoBleed incorrectly handles compressed network messages. If an attacker sends a specially crafted compressed request, MongoDB may miscalculate the expected decompressed size, return uninitialized heap memory back to the client. That memory was never intended to be exposed. The leaked memory may contain sensitive information such as authentication token, internal secret configuration values, recently processed data. This is not theoretical. It is a real data exposure risk. According to Wiz researchers, MongoBleed is already being exploited in the wild. After public proof of concept code was released, attackers began actively scanning the internet for vulnerable MongoDB instances. Internet exposed databases are the primary targets. Multiple MongoDBs are affected, including both older and recent releases. Any MongoDB instance that has network compression enabled, is not fully patched, is exposed to untrusted network, may be vulnerable. To protect your systems, you should take these steps immediately. Upgrade MongoDB to the latest patched version. Disable Zolvi network compression if patching is not possible. Restrict network access. Do not expose MongoDB directly to the internet. MongoDB Atlas users are already protected through managed patching. MongoBleed shows how low-level bugs in compression logic can lead to high-impact data leaks. If you operate MongoDB, patching quickly is not optional, it's critical. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and keep your databases protected.